What's up everyone, Kai-Fi here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to apply a wooden texture to a logo or design. This process can work with different textures such as marble, rock, wood obviously as I'm going to be using today, and it can be applied to your logo, your design, or something you want to apply that texture to. So today I'm just going to be using a generic Apple logo as you can see here, and then I'm going to be using this wooden texture. I just got these both off the internet just for visual purposes to show you guys how the process works. I'll link them below if you want to use the same materials I used, or any texture and logo of the sort will work. So let's get started. So first you're going to want to go to your the texture you want to apply and drag that over back onto the logo picture and drag it right on top so it creates a new layer on top of that logo. So as you can see here, I have a layer of the texture and I have a layer of the logo. So after you do that, you're going to want to push Command U and pull up this hue/saturation window, and you're going to want to drag the saturation all the way to the left for that for the texture that you're applying. So this is going to take all the saturation out of it, and give it a black and white look as you can see, so it won't interfere with the color of your logo. It's just going to provide that base texture. So after that, you're going to want to go to these blending options, and you're going to want to choose one that looks good for what you want to achieve. So this would be the opposite, since the background's black and the logo is white. This creates a wooden texture behind the logo. However, we want to apply it to the logo, so you can use the multiply or darken. They're a little different. I think the multiply looks the best, and it's honestly as easy as that. So now we've gone from the generic Apple logo, which is just a white Apple logo, and we've applied a wooden texture to it, giving it some detail, some depth. Makes it more unique. If your background or logos have color, you're going to want to use the overlay selection here, and then that will create a nice overlay of the texture with the logo and create a good blend. But because we're using a black and white logo here, we're going to use that multiply effect, and it's going to look great. So it was quick and easy, and anyone can do it. It's like basically 3 short steps. So I hope I taught you something interesting and new. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more future tutorials and videos. Thank you so much.